Hello everyone, welcome back to another weekly savings challenge and dividend portfolio update. Today, let's go straight to the video. The first thing in our agenda for today is to generate this week's savings amount. After that, we will take a look at how my trading 212 dividend portfolio performed last week. Lastly, we will run the dividend script and see whether there are any ex-dividend dates that we can take advantage of next week. If you are only interested in certain parts of the video, I have prepared the timestamps in the description box below. Feel free to skip to your preferred sections. Let's start our agenda with the 52-week savings challenge. Let's type in the random between 1 to 13 formula here and see what random number we will get. Okay, we got number 9, but we generated number 9 last week, so let's copy and paste the formula again. Okay, now we got a 2. In total so far, I have saved 25 ringgit in November. Now, let's move on to the Trading 212 dividend portfolio update. So many things happened to my portfolio last week, so please bear with me. Last week started with a 2 cents dividend from Realty Income and 3 cents dividend from Tritech's Big Box REIT. On Tuesday, I saw that my holdings in Chevron are back in the green after quite a while. As promised in my last video, I sold off my 0.065 shares in Chevron for 15 cents capital gain. This is my small effort to make my investments a little bit greener. I then channeled the gains into my REIT pie, and I also bought a fraction of Johnson & Johnson and more of Stack Industrial, as these two were still in the red last week. I will always buy more when the share price is in the red, as I can reduce the average price per share. On the same day, I also received 10 cents from F.I.R.E and 2 cents from Stack Industrial. On Thursday, I received a nice surprise from Visor. They paid a 22 cents dividend due to a demerger. Main Street Capital also paid me 2 cents on the same day. And then on Friday, the day that I've been waiting for has arrived. My shares in Vodafone Group are finally in the green. I sold off all 9 shares for a 54 cents capital gain. I don't want to be greedy, as I worry the share price will go down again if I wait. I think I have waited long enough, and I will take what I can get as long as I don't make any realized losses on my investments. This company really taught me patience. I feel like people can throw me poop now, and I am not bothered. I also bought a bit more of Stack Industrial to lower down the average price per share, as they were still in the red last week. Most of my holdings are in the green, so I will not put more money in them yet unless their ex-dividend dates are approaching. Last week was amazing for my portfolio. So grateful for this learning opportunity. My portfolio closed at $113.33, up by 4.74%. I still have $12 in my free funds from the Vodafone PLC sale, so I will reinvest them when the market opens on Monday. My biggest winner last week was Moderna, which was up by 49.64%, and my biggest loser was BP PLC, down by 14.74%. That was not bad at all, as we have seen BP went down by more than 30% in this channel. I am currently waiting for the share price to be back in the green before selling off this share. I really think that having highly volatile shares such as BP and Chevron in a beginner investor portfolio can teach us to be patient and not emotional. Investing based on emotion, such as greed or fear, is the main reason why so many people are buying at market tops and selling at market bottoms. Please take note that anything mentioned in this video is not a financial advice, and my videos are for entertainment purposes only. Please seek professional advice from certified advisors before starting to invest your hard-earned money. Every investment has its own risks, especially in this uncertain time. Now, let's move on to our last agenda. Let's see which company has an ex-dividend date next week. Click on Dividends Tools and then Get Incoming Dividends. I will link the video tutorials on how to come up with this dividend tracker on the top right corner if you guys are interested and want to track dividends from your favorite companies. A fellow YouTuber came up with this amazing tracker, so head on to his channel and show some support. Okay, now it's done. I am not expecting any dividend payment next week as LTC will only pay out their dividends on the 30th. As for the ex-dividend dates, we still have the chance to invest more in Johnson & Johnson, Main Street Capital, National Grid, and also Stack Industrial. If you make it this far into the video, thank you so much for your time. I think that is all for today's video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Be safe and take care.